Hi, this is Chris Dumm, and I was thinking this morning how much estate planning and wealth planning is like purchasing a car. Because I notice a lot of wealth planning attorneys say things like, hey, you should have a will, you should have a trust, you should have this widget or that widget. You never hear car dealers say, you need to have airbags, you need to have a front door, you need to have a trunk lid. What you look for when you go to purchase a vehicle, or at least the last time I purchased a vehicle, I had a kind of a sporty sedan, but I realized that I had graduated from a sedan. I didn't want to do a minivan. I've done that before, and I have nothing against minivans, kind of like minivans, but I decided to go with a larger passenger SUV because I have two teenage daughters. And 2 years ago, they weren't teenagers yet, but I found that I was traveling, usually I could travel with 2 girls or I could travel with 6 girls. It really didn't matter. The drama, exactly the same. But I also had a big dog, and I didn't want a big dog getting in and out of my nice sedan. So I had to trade in the sedans, and I just have an SUV. I'm looking forward to when my daughters can both drive, and then I can go back to a sporty sedan, which is a lot more fun to drive. But I digress. What I was looking for in a vehicle was what was going to meet my needs, the needs of my family, and the needs of my situation. And I think that's what you should be looking for when you talk with an experienced wealth planning attorney. What are your needs? Who is the family? Are you married? Do you have a big dog? What are the abilities and the inabilities of your family? Do you have grandchildren? What are some of the values, some of the core values, some of the things you want to promote that are family values in your family? And you want to make sure that we don't thwart some of the family goals that you have. What happens and who is in control if you became mentally incapacitated or if you passed away? I mean, there's a bunch of ways to solve that problem. Sometimes we have to also, we would like to involve your other trusted advisors, because we're coming at it from the legal standpoint. Sometimes it's good to come at it from an accounting standpoint or a financial standpoint or an insurance standpoint. So if the entire team is helping you create your wealth plan, we can really see some great synergy there. I realize that's a word that's overused, but it seemed to work in that situation. So when you're doing your wealth plan, I would encourage you, don't think about what documents you need. Your wealth planning attorney can help you with that. What you need to determine is what are the results that you want, who are the people we're trying to protect, and if you became disabled, or if you passed away, or if a loved one passed away, do we know what's going to happen, and have we taken steps to accomplish that? I hope that was helpful for you. It was just something I thought of today, and I thought, hey, I'll just make a silly video about it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think, and have a great day.